Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into what I'm going to be doing with my YouTube channel. I'm going to be going over quite a few topics here and just kind of updating you guys. So first off, I want to thank you all so much for your support over the last few years. You guys, I wouldn't be where I am today. Without you guys, this channel has continued to grow, and I can't thank you guys enough for it. So once again, thank you. My goal ever since I started this channel was just to create content that would be helpful, whether you're working on a third gen Camaro or thinking about purchasing tools. And my main thing was every year I wanted to improve something. I wanted to make sure that the content continued to get better every year. And it's been little things every year. And this year I really wanted to step it up. So as you can tell behind me, there might be some huge changes, but there's a lot of other changes as well. And so this year was a big year for upgrades, and I really hope you guys enjoy the content to come. One thing I want to let you guys know is that I am always open to suggestions, whether it's video ideas, something that you want to see, maybe something that I haven't really covered all that well, or maybe compared to something else but didn't really go in depth on that. If you want to see something like that, go ahead and let me know. Questions about the Camaro, car repairs, anything like that, feel free to drop it down in the comments. Also, any improvements to the channel that you believe would really help out as far as content, please. I'm always open to positive criticism and suggestions to make better content for my viewers. So this year, looking at some of the changes we are going to see, first up is going to be the audio. I picked up a better mic. Now I didn't get one that could cancel out the furnace in the background, at least not the one connected to my camera here. The system here does have a good noise cancellation, so the heater isn't quite as big of a deal. But as we move into the summertime, the heater won't be a big deal. But I did pick up some better microphones to increase the audio on the content. I have also picked up more lighting. I have a couple of ring lights, as well as area surface lights, which I can adjust the brightness and everything on. So when doing tool reviews, I can really capture the best details possible on the tools so you guys can see as best as possible, and hopefully make you feel more like you're actually looking at the tool itself, so you guys can get a really good idea of the quality of the tool or how it compares to some other brands. Next up is my camera. I was recording on the Pixel 3 a couple years ago, and I really enjoyed that, the video quality at least. It was 1080p at 30 frames per second, and it was pretty decent. I was happy with it, but I started to have real issues with that phone, and microphone issues and battery issues and all of that. So that became a hassle. So my new camera can actually record up to 8K, but that's only at 24 frames per second. Plus YouTube doesn't support 8K, and most people's devices or whatever you're watching this on most likely doesn't support 8K. But I will be recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. So the details of the video should hopefully look a lot more crisp and clear. So we have a higher resolution as well as a higher frames per second. So it should create for better quality videos, not just in audio, but as video as well. I did on-screen recordings, or I would go to a website such as the Tecton website, Gear Wrench website, Amazon, anything like that. Sometimes those on-screen recordings were blurry, and sometimes they saved awkward. And it was something that I really wanted to improve on, but just couldn't with the laptop I was working off of. Not just on-screen recordings, but editing as well. I didn't realize how much time my computer was taking up, how much time of mine my computer was taking up, me trying to edit videos and save them. So my wife went above and beyond and got me this custom built computer that my best friend from back when I was a child, he builds computers, and he built me this one. My wife got it for me for Christmas, and then I went above and beyond and went all out on the audio and monitoring and everything like that. So I wanted to create something that not just brought you guys better content, but also made my life a lot easier. Let's say I made a 10 to 20 minute video. 20 minutes is really pushing it, but that computer would roughly take, I don't know, basically an entire night just to edit it, depending on how many clips it was, how long the clips were, how many pictures I had to throw in. Well, as soon as I opened that editor on the computer, I didn't even have to be editing anything on it. Just to open it, it was using all of the computer's capacity and power to run that application, and it was dog slow. I mean, as I played the video, it would chop it up, and I had to listen to it like that until it was saved, Well, not just editing it was hard, but I couldn't do things in the editor because it would overdo it if I added too many pictures. And I wasn't able to add a video clip on top of video clip like I'll try and do in here, which is super easy now. Everything flows really nicely, runs really smoothly, and doesn't even use up, I want to say, 20% of this computer's possibilities. So it's really nice. And not just that, but when editing the videos, when I'm all done with that, I've already cut down time on that, but saving it, a video like that would have taken about 2 to 8 hours to save on my computer. That's not even uploading it to YouTube yet. So it was a very, very long, drawn out process for me. This, I can edit a video in anywhere between 20 minutes and a couple hours, just depending on how advanced the video is. And then I can save it in about 2 to 10 minutes. It's insane. I'm still not used to it. It blows my mind. So it's fantastic. And then I get it uploaded to YouTube right away. So I love it. So it's a lot easier on me. I can create more content that way along with better content. Now with that, I did upgrade all this, but I'm still using the editing software I was before just because it is what I'm used to. I enjoy it. I don't need anything super flashy. I don't need bubbles popping up anywhere and telling you guys stuff. If I forget something, I throw a little text in there, keep it simple, to the point, and I don't need anything flashy. I just need something that works well and performs the way I want it to. So simple fade in and fade out, simple video clips in the corners or pictures, anything like that, just to get the point across so you guys understand everything. That's all I need. So I'll be sticking with the same editing software. It's just a lot better now. So as far as the content itself, the content that I'll be creating, I threw in car detailing videos starting last year, and truthfully, it just, for me, while I was on the road for drag racing, for work, those were kind of some that I could fill in my stockpile of videos because I was gone so much on the road that I needed to keep a stockpile of videos and release them while I was on the road so I could provide you guys with at least something, content, instead of me just traveling on the road. Well, I filled some of those in with auto detailing and they just aren't that popular. I mean, I know I'm a tool video and Camaro video type of channel. Car repairs, not so much auto detailing. Now, some people do like that. So I'll be getting rid of that, but not completely. If I ever come across a detail that I think will be entertaining or informative, I'll do that. But as far as auto detailing reviews and unboxings, I'm gonna get away from that. If there's something I enjoy during this detail, let's say I'm doing a detail that I think is really entertaining, some good information, I'll create that video, and if there's a certain chemical or product that I really enjoy using during that detail, I'll make sure to share it with you guys, but I won't be overloading it with auto detailing videos anymore. But also keep in mind, I have a stockpile of about 30 videos that I created last year because I used to have a stockpile of about 70. I've been pushing out more videos every week. Instead of just Monday and Friday, I pushed it to 5 videos a week, and then I dropped it to 4, and I will be staying at 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So stay tuned for that. I'll try and do a tool review, auto detailing or Camaro video, and then another tool review throughout the week, just to start on a really good note and end on a good note, and then just some good content for those other viewers in between. But I'll keep it that way. But once that stockpile of 30 videos is gone, you'll start seeing the newer content. So you're gonna see standard quality, the quality that you're used to. You're gonna see 30 videos like that basically as I spread them out over the next few weeks. And I'll sprinkle in some new videos if there's something important. Let's say I find a really good deal and I wanna share it with you guys. I'm not gonna wait 3 months to post it. So I'll put it up as soon as I can. So you might get a couple videos that are brand new 4K, better audio, you know, all of that jazz. Right now, I'm just gonna be focusing on running those 30 videos out and just coming in hot with all the new, better quality videos. So stay tuned for those. Just keep in mind that the next few weeks are going to be loaded up with some older videos, but still really good videos, so stay tuned for those. Also, while reducing auto detailing videos, I will be increasing the amount of tool reviews I do, as well as vehicle repairs and Camaro videos. So I'm gonna bump those up as we get rid of the auto detailing videos. As far as the Camaro, the plan was to have it done by winter, so next summer I could fire it up and start driving it. Well, COVID happened, 2020 happened, let's just put it that way. Wasn't good, really slowed me down, put me in a pickle. Couldn't really put any money into it. I had to focus on staying financially stable and secure. So I did that, slowed down the Camaro. So I will be finishing it probably this summer and having it ready either at the end of summer or early fall. But that will still be coming this year, and we're gonna get it out on the road and test drive it and see if it catches fire or not. Other than that, I will be also throwing in new content as well that is unrelated that you guys haven't seen yet. During COVID or quarantine, I got furloughed. Some things happened. NHRA is, I'm surprised it's even still around, really. I love the job, but just the traveling, my son's 3 or 4 years old, close to 4 years old. I wanted to be here for him with all the cuts and everything with the NHRA and where I was working. It just wasn't going to cut it for me. So a new job fell in my lap and I really enjoy it. So I started something new. I'm not gonna share that just yet, but it'll be out soon. And with that job, I will be sharing a lot of tool reviews and stuff as well. So stay tuned for those. Another big thing about the channel is I have always tried and will continue to try to keep it family friendly. I know I have a lot of families on here that watch this, a lot of dads out there with their son or kids watching these videos, and I want to keep it as clean as possible. So I try my absolute best to keep the language clean and understandable for basically all age groups. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. So like I said, I had that stockpile of videos I'll be releasing, and then you'll start seeing a lot better content coming through. I'll have the lighting and everything, lighting and audio and video all increased, but also give me some time to adjust to all of that. It's gonna take some playing around to get everything set and really figure out what makes everything look good. So it'll be a lot of tweaking and everything, but it'll get better and better. And I really hope you guys enjoy. Other than that, like I stated before, I am always open to suggestions, whether that be video ideas or content improvement ideas. Either way, I really appreciate it. I appreciate your guys' support, and I can't wait to continue creating content for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the content to come. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts or any suggestions. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.